That's a good one. Oh, missed one. Oh, missed one. Look at him. Look at him. Follow my bait. It's like 4 of them.
All right, now hold still.
That's a good one.
Yeah, he swallowed that hook pretty good.
Okay, mission is to get a picture fish. Picture fish has got to be 20 inches or better.
All right, now come on. Yeah, I can size that one now.
In that.
Right, ground.
This one followed me right to the boat. Oh, he might be a picture fish. He's a good looking fish.
Got the TV drag working.
Huh?
Got the TV drag on.
Oh, you're on camera.
Yeah, that's why I'm standing here. That's a good one. It's about 17.
Yeah, that vicinity, maybe a little bigger.
Nice.
I got to measure just because I got it.
Good one. That's a good one too. Oh man, he's a nice one.
18.5.
18. Nice.
All right, now settle down.
Beautiful. Ernie's got a good one too.
That's pretty lively today.
All right, got to be 20 before we break.
Got that right at the water, didn't you?
Yeah, right at the edge of this pothole. It's a mackerel. A big lady fish. Or mackerel. Big lady fish. He's a big lady. The big lady.
I'll go keep him, Dave.
You keep him?
Yeah, we get the urge.
He's a big lady.
That's that.
Little lady.
Another double. You guys keep doubling up. To Jack. To Jack.
Probably.
That's what I got.
Yep.
Now, can you imagine one that's about 24 pounds?
Mr. Jack.
They kick your butt. They are fun.
Still Mr. Jack.
Put your fingers on their fins on the top if you... They'll stab you.
Well, let go of it.
Bubble gum.
He won't let go of it. Oh, come on.
Can you believe that?
It's so good he don't want to let it go.
They have a lure that they used to use for marlin. I think they outlawed it. It's like hair. And the hair gets caught in the marlin's teeth. Look at that. What made it get like that?
Ladies.
If we were going to redfish today, we couldn't buy a ladyfish.
That's what you got to do.
There it is. Water. Huh? As soon as you hit the water, fish it. Yeah.
Lady. You're going to have to switch to a paddle tail of a green variety. Yes.
Like this yesterday, were they?
No. Yeah. Get another one?
Coming back.